Hey everyone, my name is Dallas. I'm at Connect Wealth today, and I'm joined by Joey San, who is an expert in corporately owned life insurance, and he's been helping his clients with this strategy for years. My first question is, what is the main reason a business owner, an incorporated business owner, may consider corporately owned life insurance to use and invest with as a strategy in their corporation?
Well, the key word here, I think, is successful and profitable. Successful business owner who's made profit of their active business income. Now, what do we do with that money? Do we live in the corp or do we take it out personally? Save the tax, take what you need, but leave the excess in the corp and then invest that money into other things.
So it sounds like it's basically the main reason that somebody would do this is just tax efficiency. It's huge, right?
Tax efficiency. Tax, my friend.
What are some other advantages to the strategy of using corporately owned life insurance?
The saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This asset class just adds another diversification in their portfolio. Most business owners don't know that a permanent life insurance, a whole life product, it's an asset class in the books. It's like any piece of property that you own, it's an asset. Within that contract, there's minimum guarantees. So they're saying, in this particular year, you're going to have this much money guaranteed in the policy. So there's a contractual guarantee. And these contracts, they also receive what we call dividends. We all know what dividends are, right? Once declared, they can never be taken away, can never be a negative dividend. You can access the money in the contract at any point. There's different ways of doing it, but it's very accessible. The premiums that you pay for these contracts is done with after-tax dollars. So you cannot use it as a business expense or a deduction. It's paid with after-tax dollars. Dallas, this topic of taxes irks me, All our working years, we pay taxes. We go into retirement, we pay taxes. But Dallas, did you know the most tax we ever pay is when we die? Spousal rollover just defers it. The growth inside the policy is tax deferred. So you don't pay any taxes on it while it's growing inside the contract. It qualifies for all the rules that they now have for passive income. So your small business exemption is not compromised. And on the other side, the death benefit gets paid out tax-free almost. We use what's called a CDA, and accountants love the capital dividend account. You talk to an accountant about the capital dividend account, they'll love it. So this creates a CDA where the money flows from there to your family when it's needed the most.
Usually, business owners, just like families, they have people relying on them. We as financial planners, we want to make sure that whatever strategies we help our clients with is a stable and secure investment with a lot of upside. So when we're talking about corporately owned whole life policies inside of a corporation, is that a safe and stable investment? And what is providing the business owner with peace of mind?
Stability and security. It only comes with who's got your back and how are they regulated. Of all the financial institutions in Canada, life insurance companies are the most highly regulated. What does that mean? Not only do they have to regulate themselves, but they've got the Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions auditing them every 6 months. And what they're auditing them to see is, do they have at least 150% of assets to take care of all their financial contractual obligations? So when this number drops closer to 100%, they step in and they say, hey, you're not looking good. We're going to move all your contracts to another stronger financial institution, another insurance company that's stronger. And that insurance company now will take over the contract and abide by everything that's in the contract. With this situation, no one in Canada has ever lost a single penny investing in an insurance contract.
If you could just say anything else that would be helpful to our business owner community watching this, what would you say? Is there anything else?
I just want to say that I kept things fairly simple for conversation's sake. You should reach out to one of our qualified advisors like myself and people here at Connect Wealth. So we have to cross the T's, dot the I's, and make sure everything is okay and your accountant is happy.
Thanks for watching. Joey and I discuss corporately owned life insurance today. We are in South Surrey, again at Connect Wealth. You can get a hold of us by emailing info@connectwealth.ca or Google us. You can find all of our contact information on the internet. Thanks. Bye.